Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ubaidillah and I'm from class 5 TPIA. So I'm from English Language Teaching and Education Department of IAIN Syekh Nurjati Cirebon. So in this video is actually for my final examination of English course book analysis with Miss Royani Apriani. And in this video we are going to analyze a book that the name is English for Nusantara book for class 9. So before we analyze, let's me introduce the book firstly. The book is English for Nusantara for class 9 and written by Ika Lestari Damayanti, Yusnita Febrianti, Pipit Prihartanti, Ian Nurlailawati, Aji Lehan Velani, and Hendra. So this awesome book also designed by Gani Reza Givari and published by Kementerian Pendidikan, Kebudayaan, Riset and Technology. And this book also published in December 2022. So this is the view of the books. Yeah, English for Nusantara, and this researcher, the written. Okay, this is the book of the view of the book of English for Nusantara. Okay, let's analyze this book. There are several points. There is important point that we're going to check about this book. The first is methodology, and second is language skill. The third is social value. The fourth is cover book package, and the fifth is adapting and adapting. The sixth is language content, and the seventh is language function. Okay, we are going to check about or to analyze the methodology firstly. What is actually methodology? Methodology is about the approach that written used in the book. The methodology also talking about the level of learner adjustment. It's like the language or the level of assignment of tests that writer use in the book. For example, like this is for class 9, so the level of hard, easy, or normal should to adjust, because we should to remember that the first point, very important point of course book analysis, is to know what student needs and what teacher needs. So this is the methodology. The teachers or the writer should to know the level of the student, so the technique that used and help student understand. Okay, let's check. The first is approach, level of learner adjustment, technique that used and help student to understand. The approach. Let's see the approach. In this section, the writer using a greeting like hello adik-adik kelas 9. So this is very nice greeting, I think, because it's very friendly and interesting. Wow. And here also the designer or writer using a character to take an engaging students, because this is class 9, and I think that class 9 is like to watch the movie or the film or some anime that in their life. So using a character is very suitable way to take their engagement gitu. This is the approach. Jadi melakukan pendekatan yang sesuai dengan kehidupan mereka ya, yang suitable dan relevan of their life. So this is very awesome book. The approach, so it also we are going to talk looking for level of active learner. We are going to looking the assignment. It is normal, hard, or easy. Let's beginning. Have you finished? We will going to. I think that this is a very suitable and normal question for class 9, because class 9 is the beginning for using English, and this is very suitable. So the methodology of this book is very good, I think, and the technique that using for the writer is very good also because it's so friendly and simple. It's not complicated. So they also using a communicative text, I think, because they are using a petunjuk ya. Mereka menggunakan beberapa petunjuk gitu. Like this. And also they are using an Indonesian language and which is it will be very helpful. Jadi akan sangat membantu the student to learn. Jadi karena ini levelnya beginning, maka ini akan sangat membantu sekali untuk para beginning. Okay. The next is language skill. What is English language skill? Is it include important skill like listening, reading, speaking, and writing? Let's check the book. Apakah bukunya memuat 4 skills, which is reading, writing, speaking, and listening? Let's check. Okay, writing, there is a writing, also reading, also speaking, listening, and yeah. Jadi untuk language skill, this book is very good because karena membuat semua ya. It include all of the content, listening, reading, speaking, and writing. So, the third that we're going to check is about social value. What is social value? Social value is talking about the social issue like a problem in our life or like a teammate, kerjasama dalam masyarakat, or global social issue, awareness, etc. Mungkin seperti gotong royong atau acara dalam masyarakat seperti Independence Day or like that. Apakah buku ini memuat konten-konten tersebut? Let's check. Okay, the first chapter is exploring fauna of Indonesia. Second chapter is taking trip. The third chapter is journey of the fantasy world. Chapter 4, upcycling used material. Chapter 5, digital life. The first chapter is talking about exploring fauna of Indonesia. This is not a social value, right? Because it's talking about the animal in Indonesia. I think that I should remember that I'm not choose this book because this is very good. All of things in the world, of course, have advantage and disadvantage. And this book is when I check social value, I think that it's not bad, but also it's not good. It's normal. I think jadi ada percakapan di mana antar murid ada digital life seperti ini dan ini sangat relevan untuk para murid di kelas 9 di mana mereka sangat bergantung pada sosial media. But tentang kerjasama, dan hal yang lainnya, I think that tidak ada di sini ya. It's not include. Tidak ada. It's not containable. Gak termuat di sini gitu. So about social value, this is normal but not bad and not good for me. So about the cover book package, design and visual effect. As we can see here that this book is using a character for taking and engaging of student. Jadi menggunakan karakter-karakter unik seperti anime yang sangat membuat siswa itu tertarik ya. But about the cover book is very very bad because it's only alphabet and English for Nusantara. Covernya sangat kurang ya menurut saya, kurang menyesuaikan. Tapi dalamnya the content and the visual effect and the design of this book is very very good. About the 0 until 100, I think I will give 99 point for this. So you should know. Okay, next about adapt and adopt. Adapt and adopt is talking about approach, level of learner adjustment, and yeah. In adapting and adopting, as we can see, I will tell you a story that in English language teaching material development, I have ever adapting this material, all of the material, and adjust for young learner. Jadi dalam MKILTMD saya pernah mengambil materi-materi yang telah disampaikan di sini dan juga questionnya dan juga adapting and adopting dan menyesuaikan. Jadi saya ambil, saya tiru dan saya modifikasi gitu, dengan kosakata yang lebih sesuai untuk kelas 7. Waktu itu saya adapting buat kelas 7 dan membuat buku di ELTMD, and I think this is a very suitable books to adapt. You can choose this book for adapting or adopting, and it can be your package book. Jadi bisa cocok buat buku pegangan ya, hold book gitu. Dan tentu saja ini bakal cocok karena ini adalah English for Nusantara, di mana ini digunakan langsung oleh Kemendikbud, di mana sudah melewati uji coba gitu. So the next is language content. Is it include important skill like content of language? Okay, the language content in this books is very easy because it's for class 9. It also pendekatan yang dilakukan dalam segi bahasanya sangat bagus. For example, like here is function, talk about an animal native Indonesian wildlife. It translated to be English language, not to Indonesia, and this is good. Akan menambah kosakata yang baru gitu ya dalam peribahasa bahasa gitu. Bahasa yang digunakan sangat bagus. Dan and also, have you remember that it's talking about digital life, and this is very suitable. The language is easy to understand and simple. Ya. Jadi sangat membantu guru dan murid untuk memahami gitu, nggak akan confused gitu. So the last is about language function. Sesuai fungsinya, di mana kita akan mengecek how the language function. For example, like here, di mana kata interrogatif atau kata tanya itu digunakan dengan dan disampaikan dengan conversation, and this is a very good method to teach. I think I like this method. Teacher talk, we will learn how to. Kita akan belajar mengenai, jadi tidak per word by word, but also in sentence gitu. Jadi akan lebih mudah digunakan. Mereka bisa learn about grammar here in this sentence and etc. Okay, maybe that's enough from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video.